This video will show you how to make a graph from your data in Quantemplate. With the report open, click the pivot table icon at the top of the report. Now we've got an unconfigured pivot table. So double click the box to reveal the pivot table interface. Pivots are tools to query and visualize your data. To pivot your data is to segment and filter it in order to view it from different perspectives. To do all of that, we need to add some data first. So click on the Report Data Source button and type into the Search Datasets text box the name of the dataset you want to use. We're going to use Portfolio Steering Contract Level. Give that dataset a click and you'll see that it populates the Fields section on the left. There are two kinds of field in your source data. Value fields, such as claims, premium and profit, that contain only numbers, whilst category fields such as region, year or client can be used to segment the value fields. First, we choose a value and drop it into the value section. In this case, it shows your total claims. Now, to segment it by year, drop that field into the category area, rows or columns. We can segment this dataset further by adding another category. We're going to use region. Now try some graph views to see what expresses your data best. This percentage bar graph shows us the percentage of revenue from each region for each year, whereas this bar chart shows us the amount of premium per year. Different graph types require certain numbers of values and categories. For example, a bar line chart requires 2 values and 1 or 2 categories. This means some graph views will be disabled until you've configured your table to activate them. And that's how you make graphs in Quantemplate.